The arrival of M1 Abrams tanks in Subic Bay, Philippines, surprised many. These state-of-the-art tanks were unloaded from containers by soldiers of the Deployment and Distribution Support Battalion from the Alliance Fairfax ship.
Mo, sinira, may commercial. Ano ba yung ginagawa natin, attorney? Assignment mo ba yan para sa hearing natin? Research, nag-research.
Known as one of the most advanced battle tanks in the world, were carefully unloaded by the soldiers at this strategic port. The arrival of the tank marks a significant step in the defense relationship between the Philippines.
Hearing natin to para next week.
Yes.
While there has been no official statement on the purpose of the tank's arrival, speculation suggests that it may be related to the Philippines' defense capabilities amid the increasingly tense geopolitical situation in the Southeast Asian region. The presence of M1 Abrams tanks in Subic Bay raises questions about their purpose and use.
Yung mga confirmation nito, dapat meron tayong confirmation kung nangyari nga talaga to. Yung ba makukonfirm mo talaga yun? Kung Subic yung paligid na yan? Yan. Makukonfirm ba natin yan? Kung Subic yan?
Several speculations are circulating, such as the possibility that these M1 Abrams tanks will be used for joint military exercises between
so ginamit ng balikatan to. So ang tanong mo dyan, iniwan ba yan sa atin?
The presence of M1 Abrams tanks in the Philippines is not new. In 2020, 32 M1 Abrams tanks were sent to the Philippines for joint exercises. However, the number of tanks arriving this time is much larger, raising questions about the intentions behind it.
So ayun na yung tanong. Noong 2020, meron nang dumating. Pero hindi iniwan. No? Pero ngayon may dumating uli, mas marami. Hindi nila maintindihan kung anong intensyon, ba't marami. So, iniwan ba o hindi? Yun ang tanong.
It is known for its outstanding capabilities in terms of mobility, firepower, and protection.
Mukha bang lahar yan? Ben? Mukhang lahar ba yan? O... Mukha bang sa Clark yan? Yan.
The delivery of M1 Abrams tanks to the Philippines is part of the increased military cooperation between the United States and the Philippines. The two countries have had a close defense relationship for decades.
Yan po ang pinag-aaralan po natin. Kasama po natin ng ating mga magigiting na staff. Ayan. Lalo pong umiinit ang tagpo. Yung bang lumabas na bagong guidelines ng China Coast Guard? Meron na bang nag-file ng resolution doon? Sa atin? Oo. May nag-file na ba ng resolution doon? Oo, kung ano yon, kung malaman natin talaga yung nakapaloob dun sa ano na yun. Anong action ng gobyerno doon? Parang sumagot na rin ng DFA doon di ba? Diba? Sumagot sila, parang kinukondemn nila, parang gano'n.
Ang sinasabi ng DFA, this is against international law.
Oo.
Kasi yung palabas ng China is that uhulihin ng Coast Guard kasi naman nag-violate. So, medyo pagkakaroon ng international crisis dyan.
Tayo lang ang umangal. Ang daming ibang nasyon nandun, ha? Mayroong Vietcong doon, mayroong... nung pumunta ako doon, may Vietnam, may iba't iba, may Thailand, may iba, maraming nandun eh.
Hindi lang ako pamilyar kung tayo lang ang
Nagreklamo.
Mm.
Pero yung sinulat ng DFA ng China no Foreign Affairs ng China is only for the Philippines or for
Parang hindi lang ako
lahat.
Lahat. Apparently lahat kung sino ang babayolate. So
yun.
wala nakalagay dyan kung sa Pilipino lang.
Kung sa Pilipino lang yun. Yeah, abangan nyo po yan. Umiinit yan. Pwede kayong maglagay ng itlog dyan. Baka maluto sa init. Yun po. Magandang gabi din po sa inyong lahat. Kay Albert Nako, nagkaanuhan na sa mata. Sino ba ang malinaw ang mata? Ang daming nagpapabate. Ito na. Medyo dalawa yung tingin ko sa letra eh. Bakit ba dalawa yung tingin? Pag ganun ba, ibig sabihin malabo na mata mo pagka dalawa yung tingin mo sa letra. Gutom mo na. Gutom mo. Yun naman, oh. Si Jad, ba't lumiliwanag pag nilalayo ko? Jad, Limar, Dulno. Ay, lumiwanag. Oh, lumiwanag, oh. Elasol, Arapol, Daniel, oh, liwanag. Oh. Yun, medyo lumabo pag lumalapit. Ray Jabas. Si Christina Sarion. Albert Kasulfa. Alden TV Vlog, Jesse Sosmenia, Arwal Vlog,